In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to your Wix website. Connecting a reliable payment processor like Stripe to your online store ensures that transactions are handled smoothly and securely, helping to enhance customer satisfaction and build trust with your buyers. So, let's dive right in and get your payment system set up and ready to go. First, you'll want to access your Wix dashboard. This is your main hub for all things related to your website, where you can manage settings, monitor visitor statistics, and importantly, set up payment methods. Once you're in the dashboard, locate and click on the Settings option. This will direct you to the area where you can configure various aspects of your site. In the Settings menu, you'll see the Accept Payments section. Click on that, as it's the gateway to managing how you receive payments from your customers. Here, Wix provides various payment options, and we're focusing on integrating with Stripe today. Next, you'll want to find and click See More Payment Options. This action expands the array of payment providers to include Stripe. Clicking through this section might feel like exploring a maze, but with each step, you're getting closer to connecting your payment system seamlessly. Now look for the View More button and give it a click. This will reveal additional payment options and configurations. It's essential to explore these options to ensure you choose the best fit for your business model. Once you've located Stripe, you'll see a Connect button. Pressing this will initiate the connection process, directing you to the Stripe interface to proceed with linking your accounts. After you hit Connect, you'll be prompted once again to click another Connect button, confirming your intentions to link Stripe as your payment method of choice. At this point, you'll be taken to Stripe's login page. Here's where you enter your Stripe email address to proceed. This email should match the one associated with your Stripe account, ensuring a smooth and error-free connection process. Once entered, hit Continue and follow the prompts to complete the connection. Throughout this setup, if at any moment you feel lost or unsure, Wix and Stripe both offer comprehensive support resources. You can access help guides or contact customer service for personalized assistance. Once your accounts are linked, don't forget to test your payment system. Consider running a small transaction to verify everything is working perfectly, leaving no room for last-minute surprises when customers start purchasing from your site.